Here we are at Walmart. They still have Tx2s here. Okay, I'm out of cans and plastic. Here we go. See if they take Fusion. They do. Wow. Is it even reading them? Operate this? Really? Let's see if they take this. Nope, didn't think so. Oh, it's not turning. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get our receipt. Ooh, it's got the other beans. Because I want to put one in the can machine. Ooh, old Tomra paper. Low thing. These have gotten shorter, I've gotten taller. Ooh, another old Tomra paper. We're gonna put one in the possessed glass machine. The display's out. There it goes. And it's got the new paper. Alright, so I say that was pretty fun today. But before we go, I'm gonna see if the other plastic machine takes that one bottle. It's full. Alright, I'll ask at the desk if they take it. Well, that one's got the door. I think the other one did too. Alright, so that just about covers our RVM experiences here. Okay, everybody. I got 2 more bottles. We're going to do these separately. This is the only one that has the loud beep here. Put that in my pocket. Now we have the plastic. Old Tomra paper. Alright, that's it. I've never seen this kind of bottle. Let's see if they take it. Yes, they do. Oh, come on, don't do this. There. Small little slip.